The next few pages are about regulatory history. This includes 3 pages for other current registrations, reporting any new current registrations and licenses with other regulatory bodies, or reporting changes to existing current registrations with other regulatory bodies. Past registrations, reporting any new past registrations or licenses with other regulatory bodies that have not yet been reported, or reporting changes to existing past registrations with other regulatory bodies. Refused applications for registration, reporting any new refused applications for registration that have not yet been reported, or reporting changes to previously reported refused applications for registration. On each page, you'll be asked to confirm whether you have anything new to report, similar to the education pages of the renewal form. For each of these pages, if you have entered information in the past, you will see a table reflecting any information previously reported at the top of the page. Since these pages are similar, we will just walk through the other current registrations page. The past registrations and refusal pages are structured the same way. If you have not previously reported any regulatory history, the page will look like this. If you need to report something new, select Yes from the drop-down and enter the relevant information on the next page. If you do not have anything to report in these sections, select No from the drop-down and proceed to the next page. If you have previously reported regulatory history, the information will appear in a table like this on the corresponding page. The table will include name of the statutory regulatory body, initial registration date, and jurisdiction of the regulatory body. If you need to report a change or update to existing entries, click the Report Changes link on the right-hand side. You will be able to describe any changes in the text box. If you need to report something new, select Yes from the drop-down and enter the relevant information on the next page. If you have no new information to report, please select No and proceed to the next page. When adding a new entry for regulatory history, you'll be directed to one of these pages, depending on whether it's current, past, or a refusal. If it's current, you'll be asked to provide information about the registration and confirm whether you have ever received a finding of professional misconduct with that regulator. If it's past, you'll answer the same questions as for current registrations, but you'll also be asked to confirm the end or expiration date of a registration with that regulator. If it's a refusal, you'll be asked to confirm the date of refusal and to provide a description of the reasons for refusal. You also have the option to upload supporting documentation. After adding new regulatory history information in the renewal, you'll see a new table under the Entered on this renewal heading. This table includes entries you made in this renewal form. You have the opportunity to review and edit these records before submitting your renewal. If you notice you made a mistake when creating a new entry, you can click Edit Entry on the right-hand side and make your corrections.